Good morning. Happy Sunday. I have a very big day ahead of me. Good morning. I have so much to do today. I have fresh bed sheets that I washed yesterday. I feel like that is just a perfect thing to do on a Sunday morning. Change the sheets so I can start the week fresh. As I said, I have so much to do today. It is my last day here and I need to finish packing and getting all of my things organized to head back to Australia. To give you a little bit of an update, if you're new here or you haven't followed along for my last few videos, I am currently at my boyfriend's house, standing in front of his beautifully organized closet that I did the other day. It was in my last video, so I'll have that link down below. He's actually out of town today, so I'm here by myself, which is perfect because I am so in the zone. I'm so ready to clean and organize, finish packing my suitcases and get everything organized so that I can make the very, very long journey back to Australia, which I'm not particularly looking forward to because it is so exhausting. I feel like I have to mentally prepare for it, and that's what I'm doing today. So many chores, so many things to do. I'm gonna get into it and do these bed sheets. The bed is done. You know me, I'm almost tempted to iron the sheets so that they are crisp, but I'm not going to. We also don't have a doona on the bed because it is so hot, so a sheet is totally fine at the moment. I also have a big pile of clothes that I need to sort through. I have more clothing out in the living room that I also need to sort through, and I have my little mini suitcase that I had clothes and things in from going away last weekend that I need to empty as well. I am making some serious progress. I have all of these piles of clothes neatly organized here. Really, I should bring in all of the stuff that's already in piles out in the living room and then close these doors and put my suitcase down here and just start packing and organizing everything from here. I'm gonna leave some stuff here though, because on the way down, I didn't get a chance to weigh my suitcase before heading to the airport and I was 900 grams over. Thankfully, the lady did not charge me for it, which was so nice. In fact, it was a bit of an ordeal. I have never missed a flight in my life and I was this close to missing this flight. I showed up at the check-in line right on check-in closing. Took 15 minutes to get to the counter. She reopened the check-in for me so that I could get on the flight and didn't charge me for the extra luggage, and I was so thankful that day. I was very, very lucky. But because I'm already over, I do kind of need to cut a few items. Although I do have space in my little carry-on and my tote bag, I could totally utilize that a lot better, but I do have a whole bunch of new items, and so now I have to be a little bit more strategic, and I'm gonna leave some things here. One of those things being my suit. It is so heavy and so chunky, and while this is one of my go-to outfits, I'm gonna be living in the country. I'm not going anywhere fancy, I'm not doing anything, so I think I'm gonna leave this here, and then I have to figure out what else I will probably store up in the top shelves now that I have reorganized the closet and there's extra space in there, and then I can start packing the suitcase. Speaking of new items, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, Halara. I have made a few orders with them before and I was obsessed with their tennis skirts last year. They're so comfy. I wore them every single day and they come in so many different colors and styles. They also have a huge selection of really cute tennis dresses as well. And I have a few new pieces that I think are gonna be my new favorites. The first thing though are these pants that I am wearing. I'm sorry, they're a little dirty because I have literally not taken them off for like 3 days now. They're just so comfortable for wearing around the house. I kind of like the fact that I'm not in my gym leggings. I'm in something a little bit different, but they have pockets, a little drawstring. There is another little zip pocket on this side as well. It's kind of cool because you can see the back in the mirror. It's a good angle here, but so comfy. I am living in these. And then, as you know, I am always wearing a thin strap tank top, and I think I found something to replace these ones that I love even more. I got a white one and this teal green one. I really wish I had got a black one, but I'm gonna pop this on and show you why I love it so much. Look at how cute this is. I love this color. It's actually really similar to the jacket that I've been wearing a lot lately, which is why I kind of got it. I thought it would match, but like the green with the white I think is a perfect combination. The thing that I love about these tops so much is that they have the underneath support layer. There's also padding in here. I'm not sure if you picked up on me folding all of my clean washing, but I washed this one the other day and I took out the padding and I just let them dry and then popped them back in, and I really like them. They're so supportive and they're kind of like a sports bra, but they still look like a tank, so I feel like I can be a little more active in them, and they're just so comfy. So I feel like these are gonna be my new favorite tank. I definitely have got to get myself a black one, but the white is just so cute as well. This is the white one as well. This is actually what I was wearing in my last video with my jeans. I also have these blue trackies, although these are a lot tighter and they fit almost like leggings. I like the contrast of the white with the blue, and they've also got pockets. Super comfortable. I also grabbed 2 pairs of shorts. They have an underlayer, which I really like, and I like the mesh layer over the top. I got them in the green and then also in the black as well. I also grabbed 2 longer tank tops. I usually go for a cropped style, but I thought I would add a couple of longer tanks to my collection. The thing that I love about these are the back. The back is a cutout. I think it's really cool. I also got it in this really nice sage green color because I really like green. It's my favorite color, so half of my wardrobe is green. And I also have these incredibly comfortable flared yoga leggings. I don't know where to stand. I'm trying to figure out where to stand so that you can see what I'm wearing, but so comfortable. They have a really nice crossover waistband, which I think is really cool. They're just very comfortable, and they're a good length too. Like they hit right on the ground, and I'm 5'4". So comfortable. I'm gonna try the green one on real quick. And this is the sage green one. I love that cutout. I will have everything linked down below. I'm gonna go and change back into those white trackies because they're so comfortable, and the teal top. I just made myself lunch. I have 2 bagel slices with cream cheese, tomato, and some turkey. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna eat this and then probably get in and clean the kitchen. I've also got the Gilmore Girls on TV. I've just made it into season 4 and Rory's at Yale. So I'm gonna eat lunch, watch this, and then clean the kitchen. Good morning. Yesterday afternoon I was supposed to keep up with all the packing and the organizing and everything, and my boyfriend's 2 best friends messaged me and were like, hey, do you want to come to the bar to watch football? And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go and spend the rest of the afternoon doing that, and I did. We drank a bunch of beer, watched the football, got really into it, and it was so much fun. And I don't normally drink beer, and I'm not gonna lie, this morning I do have a bit of a headache. I'm not hungover, but just I have a headache, and I feel like that was not the wisest decision the day before I'm getting on a flight to go all the way back to Australia, but it's fine. I feel fine enough. I do have all of my clothes all laid out. This morning I've just been collecting things and putting them into piles, and I'm gonna go and get my big suitcase and bring it in here so I can now pack it. And then I've got to do the bathroom because there's products, and I've got to do my toiletries, and then I got to do the little suitcase, my tote bag, and then once all that's done, I'm just gonna do one last little tidy up in here before I leave for the airport, which is crazy. I can't believe I'm finally going home. I cried twice this morning already. I never have been sad about going home. It's not that I don't want to go home, obviously I do. I'm so excited for my cousin's wedding this week and to see my family and to go and spend time at home with my mom, but I'm really kind of sad. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a little emotional. I don't know what's going on, but I just cried this morning about it, just because it's so far away. And I know that every time I do this, it's like a mental thing. You have to prepare yourself for the whole trip, because I think, I don't know, this time maybe I'm not mentally prepared this time. I kind of was just sort of not thinking about it until basically yesterday, and I guess maybe it all just kind of came at once. So anyway, I'm gonna go and grab my suitcase. I'm gonna start packing this up, and we're going to get myself to the airport. Okay, there is not a lot of room in here, but I have the suitcase kind of wedged into the corner and I can quite easily step over it and get around it. In this side, I already have all of my sandals, my sunglasses, I have my clutch purse thing that I think I'm gonna take with me to the wedding, my gold shoes, and then I have some black heels as well. So that's already done. And this side, my toiletries and things will go into. This other side, all the clothes will go into, so I'm gonna do that bit now. Okay, clothes are all packed. The few clothing items that I have on this side are actually my dirty clothes, and then over here is all the clean clothes, all neatly folded away. I need to go to the bathroom and get the products. This is the mess that I have created in the bathroom, so I need to pack all of this up, and I will clean the countertop as well before I leave. My little suitcase is all packed up. I'm all packed up. I've got my tote bag, my little suitcase, my little bag from Lululemon, and my big suitcase. I am ready to leave. I am all done and I am ready to head home. I still have mixed feelings about this. I'm excited but sad, and I don't think I've ever had so many mixed feelings about going home before. So I need to get my suitcases outside. It's now time for me to head to the airport, which is crazy. So here we go. I'm going home.